Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a spa jacuzzi, and the controls are made by Joyonway. And on the control panel, you're getting an F5 error, and you're trying to figure out what the error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So on some of them, it will actually have F5 and then followed by the text explaining the error, but on some of the smaller displays, it just shows the F5 error. And the F5 error is that when the thermal switch is open, basically meaning that the heater overheated, and so it reset the device. And so it will actually turn the heating element off because it's too hot. And the number one reason that it's going to overheat is not because it's actually overheating, it's because you're not getting enough water flow through the heater to evacuate that heat, which then allows it to overheat, which then trips the heater to turn off. So what you want to do is make sure that there's water flowing through the heating elements. Make sure there's nothing clogging the water flow, which would not allow sufficient water to go through over the heater.